Similar triangles. If two figures are similar, then corresponding angles are congruent, meaning same size, same shape, and corresponding sides are proportional. Okay? You can look. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. That's what this little sign means. Okay? It means it's congruent. Okay?
Squiggly line?
Or it's proportional. Okay? Really, it means it's proportional. Okay? That right there means proportional. Okay? So, if you look, angle A is congruent to angle X. They have the same symbol. Down here it says this is congruent to each other. B and Y are corresponding, okay? And C and Z are corresponding. They have the same angle measure, okay? Now, the sides, AB is proportional to XY, okay? They don't have to be congruent. They don't have to be equal to. They just need to be proportional, okay? So AB is proportional to XY. Look at the angles. Okay, two symbols to one symbol, 2 to 1. Okay, that's how you know. BC is proportional to YZ, and AC is proportional to XZ. Okay, so they'll give you this. Determine whether the pair of triangles is similar. So draw the two triangles. Determine whether the pair of triangles is similar. Okay, I need to find out what the angle of T is. Okay, I need to find out what the angle measure of T is. Okay, because I can't figure out what X and Z are. I only have one side. Okay, well I can actually here in a second. I'm going to find it out. Okay, it doesn't matter which way you find it out. We can see what these are, or we can see what this is. Okay, what do we have to know though about triangles? What do we need to know?
The total is 360. No,
it's 180, right? The measure of all angles is 180. So 57 plus 57. I'm going to find angle T here, plus X, we're going to call this X right here, okay, equals 180. What is 57 plus 57?
114.
What is 114 subtracted from 180?
66.
Okay, X equals 66. So are these triangles similar? Yes, they are. Okay, now I'm going to erase all this and show you another way of doing it. All right, the other way, okay, is we're going to use this triangle.
2x.
I know 66 here. I'm going to say this is X and this is X because we know they're congruent, right? Okay,
No.
They have the same symbol. So I'm going to call it X and X. X plus X is 2X. Okay, and they add up to what?
180.
180. So subtract 66 to both sides. What is 180 minus 66?
114.
Okay, 114. What is 2x? 2x equals 114 divided by 2. What is 114 divided by 2? 57. Which, is that right? 57, 57 is what they have to be. Alright, you need to write this. Okay, we have a large triangle and then we have a triangle that is similar. Well, we're going to find out if it's similar to it. Okay, and it fits inside there. Alright, like I said, we have two triangles. Okay, we need to find out if they're proportional to each other. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to write the large triangle. Okay, I'm going to take 12 this side. Okay, and I'm going to compare it to the side that this should be proportional to. Okay, what's the distance of the small triangle? If I go large triangle here and small triangle here, what's the small side?
4.
4, right? Because if I look, okay, this is the side with the right angle, this is the side with the right angle. So 12, okay, what is 12 divided by 4? 3. Now I need to see if another side has the same proportion. Okay, so I'm going to take this side and do the large triangle on top, 15. What side is proportional to it on the small triangle? We have 4, 3, and 5. What side is proportional to 15? 5, it looks like, right? Okay? Because look, this is the hypotenuse of this triangle, isn't it? 5 is the hypotenuse of this triangle because they're opposite the right angles. Right? What is 15 divided by 5? 3. So are these triangles similar? Well, let's make sure. Okay, we haven't done the other side. The large side is 9. What's the small side? What's 9 divided by 3? 3. So yes, similar.
So after about 2, it should be...
Should be. Alright, so we need to find the missing measures. We have triangle ABC and PQR. Okay, now I need to find this side. I need to find this side. Okay, now, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to find C first. Okay, which side, this side C, okay, we can call it angle AB, or side AB, okay, because it's between angles A and B, right? Okay, what side would be proportional on the small triangle? PR, QR, or PQ? If you look, okay, look right here, angle 82, okay, opposite of that, the hypotenuse is PQ. Okay, now that should be proportional to another side. Okay, use a side that you know. So since I went large triangle on top, I need to go large triangle. I'm going to go AC because we know 12.5, right? And it's proportional to RP, which is 5. Okay, or sorry, I shouldn't have wrote 5. I should have wrote RP or PR. Okay, now plug in the numbers. AB, I don't know. Let's see. PQ is 8. AC is 12.5. And then RP is 5.
Cross multiply here?
Yes, you do cross multiply. We have 5C equals 8 times 12.5, which 8 times 12.5 is 100. Divide by 5.
50. No.
C
20.
is 20. Okay, C is 20. So now we need to find side A or BC. Okay, so I'm erasing all that. We're going to do AC here. What side is AC proportional to? QR. Which I'm going to go back to my AC over PR.
Why are we writing down that part?
So you know what sides I'm using and why. Okay. Now you plug in numbers. AC is just side A. QR 7. AC is 12.5. And PR is 5. I make you write this down so in your notes you look back and see where I came up with these numbers, why did I do A over 7, that kind of stuff. Okay, so cross multiply. 5A equals 7 times 12.5, which is 87.5. If I divide that by 5, Caleb, what is 87.5 divided by 5?
5.
You said it a minute ago.
Oh, I did?
Yeah. It's 17.5.
Oh, I did?
We have similar triangles here, okay? We need to find x. So I'm going to do x over, what side is proportional to x? 5. Right? I went large triangle over small, so I want to keep doing large. What's a large side? How about 11 over, what side is proportional to 11? The 7, that's all we got, right? So we take 7x equals 55, divide by 7. 55 divided by 7, I'm just going to leave as that. 55 over 7. You know what? Go for it, because the book does it a couple times. Okay? So, here's your answer. Now, here's your homework.